How do you dispose of a 10-ton whale carcass? That was the question posed when a 12-metre long humpback washed up on a South African beach. It can't be towed out to sea, as no ship big enough to pull it can get near enough to the shore because of the rocks. The locals, machetes in hand, have their own ideas and are hacking off chunks of meat and blubber. Whaling is illegal in South Africa, so when an unexpected windfall like this occurs, it's a happy occasion, and pretty much a free-for-all. Whale parts are mostly used for mutu, the local word for traditional medicine, and some of it is eaten. The whale's penis seems to be especially revered. A humpback's blood accounts for 10 to 15% of its body weight, and as it flows freely from the dead whale, the sea turns red. The smell is terrible, and a rotting whale can pose a serious health hazard. So local waste management services arrive. Their first idea is to cut up the whale with chainsaws, but the humpback's strong jaws are more than a match for them. It's been lying in the sun for 2 days, decomposing, with gases building up inside the body. So when the authorities bring a digger to try and break the carcass up, the insides are soon turned to a foul-smelling soupy pulp. They try to bury bits of it, but progress is slow. In the end, the whale is left for the locals to dismantle, and for nature to take its course.